I'm making tabletops out of a piece of wood that I had, and I put some wood slices nailed to it. Then I took some tape and taped around the edge, and I poured in some colored resin for the bottom, and now I'm going to mix up some untinted resin to go on the top. So this one needs another layer built up, which is why it still has the tape on it. This one is pretty smooth, so I just taped the back with frog tape. Stuff is great. And then I'm just going to put another layer on this. So I mixed up some Art Works resin, and now I'm just going to pour it on top. So I'm going to put my mask on, so I won't be able to talk, but you can watch and see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna let those dry overnight, and then probably peel the tape off, sand it down, and do another layer tomorrow.